Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back. So I have a Modelones package right here. This is so old familiar to a lot of you guys. This box is so familiar because you know me and Modelones are like that. Like we're like that. Like I love them and they love me. I'm just kidding. I don't know if they love me or not, but I do love them. I do. Okay, so let's just dive on in. I have a little coupon. I'll put that to the side because that's my coupon, not yours, and I'm not sharing my coupon this time. So these are all the acrylics here, and I will be swatching them for you, but I also have a special secret color. So if you guys remember the last time I swatched Modelones acrylic, I could not get into this particular color because the bottle was damaged. I just couldn't open it up. Well, the company saw that video and sent me another one. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you will be surprised. And if you do, you're still gonna be surprised. So in addition to swatching all of those colors plus the mystery color, I'm also going to play with 3 different liquids because I promised you guys I will be putting these liquids head to head. They are all from Modelones. So the first one, yeah, we'll get into that one. Here's the second one, and I'm showing you them in the order that I believe they were put out. And so here is the third one, the last one that was put out, and it's supposed to be like their upgraded formula, la la la, blah blah blah. We shall find out because you know I'm going to test them all for you. So the first one, I like that it has a nozzle top. I like that it doesn't come pouring out, but I can tell you it is so strong. I don't know if it's EMA or MMA monomer. Honestly, I can't tell you that because I just don't know, but it does have a strong smell. The second one and the third one, they smell pretty much the same, and they smell the same as any other monomer in my opinion. And then I'm also going to be using the Model 1 brush. You guys remember this brush? So I've had it for a while now and it's giving me no problem so far. I don't find any issue with the brush that you guys are saying it does weird things. I don't know. I think it's fine. All right, so the first color that I'm going to show you guys is color number 54, and you guys get a load of that goodness. Get a load of that goodness. You guys, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? What? Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's just talk about the monomer, okay? Because the acrylic is obviously gorgeous, out of this world. The acrylic is beautiful. It feels fine, even with the first monomer, which I'm not a fan of right now. It felt okay. So you guys are going to have to do a lot in this video. You're going to have to look at the acrylic yourself and decide, does it look like it's performing well? Because I'm going to tell you, but obviously you want to use your own eyes, right? So you're going to look for the acrylic, make sure that it's not looking dry or chalky as soon as I lay the bead down. It should still look wet and creamy, you know what I mean? And the glitter should freaking sparkle. It should look like glitter. So you guys pay attention to that. And then I'm going to talk in the background a little bit about the monomers, like what I'm feeling, what I'm smelling, how is it performing, and things like that. So first, this glitter, you guys, I just can't get enough of it. It's gorgeous. I love it. If you guys were going to get any acrylic that I show you today, 54 has to be one of them, okay? Like, it just has to. I love, love, love. All right, so let's just get into the monomers right now. So the first bottle, you guys, all right, let's just talk facts, and then I'll talk opinion. So the first bottle, it's cute. No, that's an opinion. All right, so it's 4 ounces of monomer. That's all I can tell you about facts because the package, I can't find anything about this monomer online. Like I went to Modelones, I went to Amazon, I went to eBay, like I went everywhere. I couldn't really find anything. So my thought there is that perhaps it's discontinued, and if so, all is well. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about it anyway, you know? So it's a 4-ounce bottle. The smell is very, very strong. I don't like the smell, especially when compared to others. Like if you were just smelling it by itself, it was the only monomer you've ever had, you notice that it's strong. But when you compare it to other monomers that you know smells normal, it just doesn't smell like those monomers, okay? So is it EMA? Is it MMA? I have no idea, and I'm not going to make that claim because I just don't know. I'm going to tell you, just go with your gut, and that's with anything. It just does not only apply to monomer. It applies to life. Go with your gut. If you feel like it's something you should buy, buy it. If you feel like it's something you should not buy, then don't buy it, all right? So I also want to test the speed of these monomers before I move on. So I'm poking it with my dotting tool. So the one on the right is still soft. The one in the middle is also still soft, so it's not dry yet, which is fine. And then this one here on the left seems to be still a little damp, like it's not dry completely either, but it's the most dry of the three so far. All right, so let's move on to color number 58. And I think I'm done talking about the first monomer for now, so let's just move on. The second monomer that I'm going to talk about is this one right here. And what I like about this is that it came in a set. So you got the 4 ounces of monomer and 4 ounces of acrylic. So I think that's cool. That's a very nice set. 4 ounces is plenty, especially if you're just trying to see if you will like a product or not. You're definitely not going to go out and buy full 8 to 16 ounces of it. So I think 4 ounces is a really good trial size. The smell, it smells like regular monomer, you guys. It just smells like monomer. Monomer does not smell delicious. Okay, like you're not going to open monomer and think, oh, this smells like Now or Later candy. Like it just does not smell good. But I can tell you that this one smells just like any other regular monomer smell, you know. So that's that. Let's see if they're dry yet. So the one on the right is still soft. The one in the middle is still kind of soft. And then this one on the left is completely dry. So you guys can hear when I tap it. You see that? Like you can hardly hear anything. It's real soft. And then here, you see, so the first one dries faster than the other two, which is fine. Not everyone needs a faster drying monomer. So this one here is the fastest drying of them 3. The other ones are still kind of wet. Yeah, I know the pink ones are still going to be wet. All right, so the first one dries the quickest, you guys. The other 2 are still trying to make their way. They're still trying to work on drying, but that's fine. Not everyone wants something to dry really quick, especially if you're a beginner. You need something that dries a little bit slower so that you have time to work with it. So that's actually a good thing. That's all you guys asking me, where can you find some slower setting monomer? Hello, Modelones.com. Input my coupon code. You're welcome. Save yourself some money. You're welcome. All right, so let's move on and let's talk about the last monomer. But first, you guys, I want you to look at all of this beautiful, yummy. I have not had a chance to like geek out over this glitter yet. I have not had a chance to geek out because I was so like involved in telling you about these monomers. But I have to take a glitter geek out moment. You guys, hello. Like, do you not see this? Just beautiful. All right, let's see if they're dried yet. So finally, the middle one is dry. We know the first one is dried. And this one is like still soft. It's still soft, you guys. So yeah. You could tell that it's drying, like it's giving you like a thud, thud, thud. So you know that it's almost dry, but it's not giving you click, click, click to let you know that it's fully dry. So we can safely say that the first one is the quickest drying speed. The one in the middle is a medium drying speed. And the one way over there on the right, she is a slow baby, okay? So if you need a slow baby, if you need a slower setting monomer, boom, Modelones got you covered. Get the one with the orange label, all right? So, oh my God. I was just about to talk about the one with the orange label next, but oh, let's take a geek out moment. Do you not see the yummy, yummy, yummies in all of these glitters? Like all of them are banging. All of them. All of them. Modelones, all of them. They all feel good. I know this video is about the monomer, but listen, it's also about these glitters, you guys, because they are breathtaking. You know what? I wish I would have opened this package around like Halloween, because the black and purple that I'm swatching now, that one definitely screams Halloween to me. The one right above it as well. Like you could definitely make a bunch of creepy looks out of that. A lot of like goth looks. You gothic ladies and gentlemen out there, I think that would be a really nice color for you guys. I think. I don't know. I'm not gothic, but I think that you guys like to wear black and purple, and that's black and purple. So you're welcome. All right. So I'm just testing to see if the other ones are dried yet. And some of them are still a little squishy. They're still settling in and doing their thing. Definitely these black ones down here I know are still moist. Also, I think it's important for me to say that the acrylic, the monomer, everything's going to dry slower because I'm not using it on a real person with body heat. So I've said this before, but I think it's important to say it again, especially for new people. Whenever you're doing nails on a person, we have body heat. The body heat is going to activate some of the chemicals in the monomer and the powder, right? And it's going to make them dry a little quicker. Here I am swatching on a paper towel. Yes, the drying times are going to vary. I just want you guys to know that it's not going to dry at the same speed as if you had it on a hand. So everything is going a little slower because it's a paper towel. Just make a mental note of that and know that going into doing your real nails or a real person's nails, the drying time is going to be a little bit off than what you're seeing me do here. All right, so let's talk about the last monomer, their newest monomer, their improved formula. So the way that it feels, you guys, it feels good, but it feels like a regular monomer. Like, it doesn't feel like something really, really over the top expensive. It doesn't feel like something really cheap either. It just feels like monomer. It's getting the job done. The smell, it smells like regular monomer as well. And the bottle is also a 4-ounce bottle, FYI. So let's get into what the website claims for this. Let's do that. So according to Modelones.com, it says that this is a liquid monomer for acrylic nails from Modelones. It's an advanced EMA. It's EMA, guys. So that's a thumbs up. It's an advanced EMA monomer and provides great flexibility and adhesion. This product includes liquid monomer, 120 milliliters, so 4 ounces. And it says the drying time dries within 2 minutes, which is great because that gives you enough time to make the nail shape. It's suitable for acrylic powders for learners, professionals, nail salons, nail art, school, and college. So voila. I like that this clearly states on their website that this is an EMA monomer. I like that. Now, when you go to Modelones.com, I do not see any other monomer on that website right now but this one. And it could be because they sold out, or it could be that they're just not carrying the other two anymore. Now, if you go over to Amazon, you can find the one with the blue label. You can find the one with the orange label. But it's really hard to find the other one. So maybe that one's discontinued. I don't know. Maybe they got a lot of complaints because of the odor or the ingredients. That I cannot say, honey, but I'm going to make my own speculations and I'll keep them in my head. You're free to let me know what you think down in the comment section. You guys know I love to read the comments. Even if I don't respond to all of you, I read them, you guys, and y'all be having me cracking up, okay? So feel free to tell me what you think happened in the comment section below. All right, so here we go. Here are all the glitter swatches. You guys, let me know which one is your absolute favorite. Oh no, I got one more. I got one more. The mystery color number 31. Who remembers what happened? This color is beautiful. Oh my God, thank you so much, Modelones. Who remembers that video? I think it was me, Diana, and Anthony. No, it was me and Diana, and we were swatching live, you guys. I'm just gonna leave the link in the description box. You guys could catch it. But we were swatching live. I went to swatch this color. The bottle would not open. Thinking about it is like making me stressed out. So Modelones so kindly sent me another one so that I can swatch it for you guys. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that glitter. Look at that glitter. You guys, so worth the wait. So worth the wait, you guys. Oh my God. I love it. I love glitter. Glitter just makes me so happy. I'm gonna show you guys the brush real quick. So it still looks great. I've been using it for a while. No issues with it. As you can tell, I'm giving you guys a close-up. There's no frayed pieces or anything. And I've soaked this brush in Monomer. I've soaked this brush in acetone. I've just done a lot of normal things with this brush and it still looks good. So yeah, I believe this is a size 12, I want to say, and you could also purchase it from their website. So link and coupon code and all that good stuff will be in the description box. And this is all the glitters close up. Let me know what you guys think. Tell me your favorite glitter. Mine is the first one. Tell me your favorite glitter, but also tell me your favorite monomer from the ones that I showed you guys today, and I want to know why. All right, guys, that is a wrap. I love you so much. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Sorry ass DJ.